Okay, we cut all our pieces out for our head that we're working on here. We have 7 pieces. We have 3 for the center, which includes the nose and the upper mouth. We have the next 2 pieces, which is going to incorporate the neck and cheeks, and then the 2 outside pieces. So we've cut it all out, used our pattern to cut this all out. Then I've sanded around the outside to get all the burrs off of it. So we always start with our center pieces, and we'll glue 2 of these together. And then after we get the center, then you got your 2 outside pieces that include your neck. And then you got your 2 last pieces, which includes part of the cheek and the rest of the head. So there's our head. Once we get it all glued together, then it'll be ready for carving. So, like I say, always start with your center pieces and work your way out. And I only do 2 pieces at a time to start with, because if you try to glue too many pieces together, then it's going to slip and slide on you. So I always just start with 2 and then let it sit for an hour or so, and then I'll add another piece. And then I'll keep doing that till I get all the pieces glued together. Then I'll let it set for a day or 2 to make sure I get a real good seal in there and it dries real good. And then we'd be ready to start actually carving on it. But take your time with this step. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section and I'll answer you. Make sure you get the glue spread out all throughout the entire piece. And then we'll start with this piece. And then we'll start by clamping this one down. And you just want to make it snug to start with until you get your clamps around, because like I said, it's going to slide. Just wipe up the excess glue as you go. But don't over clamp it. You don't want to squeeze all that glue out. You want to make sure you get a good seat in there. But once you get all your clamps set, then you can tighten them down some. Like I said, I'll let this sit for an hour or 2 so it won't slide on me, and then I'll add another piece until I get all the pieces glued together. So now we got that set. We'll set it around and let it set up, then we'll move on to the next piece. Thanks for watching.